Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. The Four Sisters Success Story. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village, lived a humble family blessed with four daughters Asha, Mira, Kavya, and Ria. Their parents, though poor, raised them with strong values kindness, honesty, hard work, and faith in each other. Life wasn't easy. Their father worked as a carpenter, and their mother sold handmade baskets. Yet every evening, the small house was filled with laughter, dreams, and the sisters chatted about their future. One night, as they sat under the stars, Asha, the eldest, said softly, "One day we will build something great together, something that makes our parents proud." Mira, the second sister, smiled shyly, "But we have nothing, Asha, no money, no land." Asha replied, "Maybe not now, but we have each other. That's enough to start." From that day, the four sisters made a promise to never give up, no matter how hard life got. As the years passed, the family's hardships grew. Their father fell ill, and their mother's income wasn't enough. The sisters decided to take responsibility. Kavya learned to bake and sold small cakes in the market. Ria, the youngest, helped everyone, running errands and learning whatever she could. They worked from dawn till dusk, saving every coin. Sometimes they went to bed hungry, but their hearts stayed full of hope. One evening, Asha's sewing machine broke down. She sat crying, thinking their dream was over. But Mira placed her hand on Asha's shoulder and said, "Don't cry, sister. We will find a way. We always do." And they did. Kavya sold her favorite earrings to buy the spare part. That small act of love reminded them all that together they could face anything. After months of struggle, Ria noticed something. The villagers loved Kavya's cakes, Mira's teaching, and Asha's dresses. She had an idea. "Why don't we combine our talents and start something together?" she said excitedly. "A shop where people can learn, eat, and wear beautiful things." At first, the idea seemed impossible, but they remembered their promise never give up. They borrowed a small amount, painted an old shed, and called it the Four Sisters Corner. Asha designed clothes. Mira helped children with lessons after school. Kavya baked cakes and pastries, and Ria welcomed customers with her bright smile. Slowly, people from nearby villages began visiting. Word spread about the sisters' kindness and creativity. Their shop became a place of warmth and inspiration. Years passed. The Four Sisters Corner grew into a well known brand. They opened new branches, provided jobs for women, and supported local schools. One day, a journalist asked them, "What's the secret to your success?" Asha smiled and said, "Our success didn't come from money or luck. It came from unity, love, and hard work. When one of us fell, the others lifted her up." Their story became an inspiration for many. Girls across the region began to believe that sisters, friends, or even strangers can rise together when they support one another. True success is not about riches, it's about courage, unity, and never giving up on your dreams. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.